it's the 1st of July, so I've got less than 2 months now to do the Great Wall of China trek and all my training, and then I'll be in China. So it is a big, big plug to support me and donate to the Just Giving website. Put in Elaine Turner